In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up services and accept appointments in just a few simple steps. Let's dive into the Wix editor. As you open the editor, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll notice a variety of options designed to enhance your website. Our goal today is to focus on this functionality, aiming to make your site not just visually appealing, but also robust and user-friendly. So let's begin by adding an app. Go ahead and find the option labeled Add Apps. Clicking on this is your entry point to a world of features meant to elevate your website's capabilities and make it truly stand out. Once you've clicked on Add Apps, a search bar conveniently appears at the top. Here, you'll want to type in Wix Booking, which is the key component for integrating an efficient booking system into your website. This system is both user-friendly and incredibly powerful, making it a tool worth integrating. As you type Wix Booking, a list of related apps will populate on your screen. Among these, you'll quickly identify Wix Booking by its distinctive name and icon. Click on Add to Site to initiate this seamless and straightforward integration process. With just a single click, you're on your way to providing your clients an effortless booking experience. Now, with the app added, the next step is to ensure it functions smoothly. Return your focus to the left menu, this time looking for Add Elements. This section offers a rich variety of components that you can incorporate into your website, such as images, buttons, and even text sections. But today, we're interested in a particular addition, the booking element. When you select this option, you'll be presented with a wide array of features. Visualize it as a menu brimming with possibilities. One of the key features you'll see is a calendar, an indispensable tool for any service-based website. This calendar helps both you and your clients efficiently track all appointments. Additionally, you'll discover options related to the different types of services you might offer. Whether you're a yoga instructor, hairdresser, or consultant, each service can be customized in terms of timing, pricing, and availability, ensuring that your online booking process seamlessly mirrors your real-world logistics. As you explore these features and incorporate them into your website, take your time. Each detail contributes to an enhanced client experience and more effective scheduling and service management on your end. With Wix Booking, you're equipped to boost your operational efficiency, draw in more clients, and maintain a professional image. Keep in mind that the clearer and more straightforward the process, the better the user experience. By following this walkthrough, your website should be fully prepared to manage bookings efficiently, giving you more freedom to concentrate on what you excel at. I hope you find this tutorial helpful, empowering you to maximize the potential of Wix Booking on your website. Thanks for watching, and happy website building.